Shure wireless microphones.
And we're going to compare it to the Rode and the GI.
Very fancy box. And on the box we do have 2-channel audio, 8 hours microphone battery life, 2 additional chargers, wireless audio, receiver included, instant pairing, ultra compact, USB-C and 3.5mm jack, up to 30 meters, that's 100 feet of range. Oh. This reminds me my doctor. Oh, tiny. With a clip. Sure. And 1 button. Very light. It looks like a grandma TV. 80s style. First of all, why it's so scratched? It's out of the box, brand new. Anyway, we do have USB Type-C, microphone out, headphones, and power. And it's good that it's metal, and it's very nice metal.
I'm not an engineer, but if this is a metal and I have a pins there to connect Sony microphone, is this going to damage the camera? Don't want to risk it.
I have my devices, so you can forget or reconnect. Output settings for the headphones, so you can mix if you wanted to. Output level. Alright. Safety track. USB, also you can mix. Monitor. That's nice. Display settings. And factory reset. And when you connect your microphone, you have a gain, audio effect, so you can change, noise reduction, high pass filter, compressor, equalizer. Oh, that's very impressive. LED, and you can identify which one is which.
Tight. I think this is the best sounding wireless microphone via Bluetooth directly to a smartphone. But we have to try a difficult environment.
A lot of echo in an empty room.
And how does it sound? Are we still have a lot of echo? That is the question.
I've connected the receiver to a smartphone and it should sound even better. Now we're gonna switch from speech to a singing mode. Singing mode, how's it sound? Who wants the best microphone forever? Who wants the best microphone forever? My singing is terrible. Noise cancellation. White noise, can you hear it? On the fly, noise cancellation. Is there a difference? I think it is, and it's really good. But this is a mimic. Let's try the real life noise cancellation.
Connected to a smartphone without any noise reduction. We're in a shopping mall, so it is noisy, very noisy. How's the audio now? I think the difference is huge. And also, my voice is not distorted too much. I am so impressed by that noise cancellation, and we have to do it again. Do you hear the difference? Wow, that's a huge difference. Now also with this app, the video stabilization, electronic video stabilization is not supported, so the whole video will be shaky as hell. It's it's bad. Range test. You can barely see it, this microphone. That's really cool. Okay, but range. How far can we go? That is the question. That is the question. How far can we go? All right, we are like, it is raining. I'm not sure if this is waterproof or not. We are quite far from it. Like, I don't know, 20 meters. It's plenty enough. I don't think you have, I mean, what would be the point to go any further? What the hell? Not the point. There's no point to get any further. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow, the things I do for YouTube. It's raining. What can you do? Okay, what can you do? Wow, the range is awesome. Is it? It is. I have 3 microphones close to me. At the moment we are in a Shure audio experience. Let me switch to the Rode. And Rode sounds a little bit different. Is it better? Let me know in the comment below. And now the DJI. By the way, you have 2 different apps, even 3 if you wanted to, for the audio recording and the camera. And in the camera, via settings, you do have a lock. You do by your device. You have the gain settings, preset save, speech, flat, noise reduction, compression, HPF, equalizer, so you can play around whatever you like. And of course, the app itself. You see, the app is not great. It will limit your video stabilization, it will limit your frame rate, resolution. It should be 4K 60 and it's 720p from the front-facing camera. That is not great. And it will never be better because there's 1,000 different smartphones in the market and 1,000 different cameras with them. So, conclusion, it is a clunker. That receiver is huge. But the microphone is only 8 grams and it's extremely tiny. I love it. It's like beautiful. You can even forget that it's on you and lose it. Anyway, it sounds brilliant via Bluetooth directly to a smartphone. I think they're using a different frequency than the regular Bluetooth. Look at the DJI Mic 2.0, which is using the regular Bluetooth. It sounds bad. This is different. This is like night and day different. Because that thing is too big. It's just too big. Why it's so big? That is the question, which I don't have an answer for you. And I think that's all I got. It feels like a 1.0 device, the first generation. I think the next generation should be a bit better, especially with the size of that receiver. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.